No games, cause ain't nobody playing with me. I got love, I got love.
We're juicing,
for
guys.
my homies on my family
Get
tree.
ready.
I got love for the ghetto, down for whatever. If you was down before, then you still gonna be down, gang.
Hi kittens, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be juicing. Now this is what I drink pretty much every morning with my breakfast or in substitute to my usual breakfast. You guys got to see my little quick and easy breakfast today, and that's usually what I eat when I'm home. But when I'm on the go, I like to juice. So I use 3 carrots. I chop them so they could go down the juicer much easier. And I use a half a cup of beets and a half a cup of pineapples. And I actually measured so nobody yells at me. Now, I actually use fresh beets but frozen pineapples. The reason why I do this is because honestly Trader Joe's produce is not always the best, and when I buy the pineapples you have to wait basically a year and 2 months for it to be ripe. So I just buy them frozen and it works just fine. So let's get juicing, baby. Okay guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to be juicing today. Okay, my lovely kittens. So as you guys can see, I have a bunch of plastic cups and lids. I ordered them on Amazon. I think they were like $15. It came with 100. I need it because I like to put the lid on, my straw in, and I roll out quick. So here is my go. I will see you guys later. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and get ready for 4 hugs with hugs. You guys ready for 4 hugs with hugs? 1, 2, 3. A nice tight one. I love you guys. Bye.